what lies behind us and what lies before us are the tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Friends, I am Vishwajit, your math educator. I am here to make your math easy. Today, we discuss a new topic on mathematics of class 10, surface areas and volumes. These are some solid figures. We will learn the surface areas and volumes of these figures and learn also the formulas behind these figures. One by one, I will discuss. So, let us start. What is a cuboid? Cuboid, first step is cuboid. Cuboid, you know, it is the shape of a book. You have seen the book. I will show you a book. You see, this is the shape of a book. The book shape is, this one is cuboid. Here we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spaces. In 6 spaces, if we take this one L, this one B, and this one H, then we find TSA, CSA, volume and diagonal. How? You see, this space area will be L into B, so this space is LB. Okay. Similarly, upper face is also LB, so 2LB plus. You see, this space, this is L and this is H. We can write LH2 here. This face and this face, this is B and this is H. 2 faces, so we can write 2BH. So if we arrange this one, we can write 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. And we write in square unit because area is always written in square unit. This is total surface area of the cuboid. All the surface here are rectangle shape. Okay, so there are 6 faces. Add it. The total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Similarly, curved surface area. Curved surface area means curved surface area, you can write lateral surface. That is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Just forget this 2. LB, LB, 2LB. 2LB, just forget this one. Then you can find, this will be the formula. You can write 2. If you take H common, then it will be L plus B. Okay. So lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into height into length plus breadth. Next comes volume. How to find the volume? Volume is area and height. The area is LB into height, so LBH. We can write this one in cubic unit. Okay. If meter given, we can write meter cube. Centimeter given, we can write centimeter cube. Similarly, area, if meter given, we write meter square or square meter. Okay. Centimeter given, centimeter square or square centimeter. Then diagonal. How to find a diagonal? Diagonal means from this corner to this corner. If you join, this is called a diagonal. Okay. Diagonal formula is L square plus B square plus H square square root. Okay. So these are the formulas based on cuboid. Similarly, we can find the cube. Cube, we see all the faces of this book. You see the faces. All the faces means all edges are equal. If all edges are equal, in place of L, B, H, we can write only L if we take. So the formula becomes, you see, 2L into L plus 2L into L plus 2L into L into L. So you see 12 square, 12 square, 12 square. So it will become 6L square, a square unit. So total surface area of cube is 6L square. Similarly, curve surface area, or you can write, sorry, it is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, forget about upper and top and bottom. Top and bottom, this is L, L, and this is L. Top and bottom, then we can subtract this one, we will get 4L square square unit. Okay. Then volume. What is volume? Volume is area of the base into height. Area of the base is L. This is square shape. So L into L, area of the base. Again, height is L at L. So you can write it as L cube. L cube cubic unit. Next, diagonal. In place of L, put L square plus in place of B, L square, H L square, square root. That will be 3L square, square root. This is root 3L. This is the diagonal. Okay. Now, next figure is right circular cylinder. What is right circular cylinder? Cylinder and right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder means, you see here, this shape is circle. This is radius. And from radius, this is also radius, this is R. So if you join this one, this is called height. When height and radius are perpendicular to each other, this figure is called, the cylinder is called right circular cylinder. Okay, right circular cylinder. Here we learn C as a curved surface area of the right circular cylinder. Curved surface means, you see, this is the circle. So circle circumference is 2 pi r. The height is h. So 2 pi r h. This is the formula. Curved surface area of the right circular cylinder. Now, total surface area of the right circular cylinder. Total surface area means, curved surface means this part. You see here, this is the shape of a cylinder. Shape. Here you find circle and another here you will find circle. Circle area is pi r square. So you can add it 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. So here you can write 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. If you take 2 pi r common, then it will be h plus r. So 2 pi r into h plus r is total surface area of the right circular cylinder. Next, volume. Volume, you can write area. This is the area of the circle is pi r square. Height h. So formula is pi r square h. It is always in cubic unit. Okay. This is right circular cylinder. Now see, right circular hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder, you see pipe, you have seen pipe. Right circular hollow cylinder, curved surface area, total surface. How to find curved surface area? Curved surface area, if you take outside radius capital R and inside small r. Okay. Outside capital R, inside small. So outside area is 2 pi capital RH plus the inside area 2 pi small r h. So here you can take 2 pi r common, then it will be 2 pi h common, capital R plus small r. The curved surface area. Curved surface area. Okay. Now you find total surface area. How to find total surface area of the right circular hollow cylinder? Total surface area means we add this area, top area and bottom area. Top area, there are 2 circles. This is hollow. So 2 circles means you can write pi r square, capital R square, minus pi small r square. 2 multiplied 2. Okay. Plus curved surface area 2 pi h into r plus r. This is the total surface area. Okay. If you take common, then you write another way. So this is the formula. This area, top area and bottom area plus curved surface area. This is the formula of total surface area of the right circular hollow cylinder. Then volume. How to find the volume? Volume, you know, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So pi r square capital H. Sorry, pi capital R square h minus inside volume pi small r square h. If you take common pi h, then it will be r square minus r square. This is right circular hollow cylinder volume. Curved surface area, total surface area, and this volume. Okay. Next, right circular cone. Right circular cone. What is called right circular? Here you see a radius and this is height are perpendicular to each other. So it is called right circular cone. Now this is another height. It is called L. L is called slant height. Slant height. Okay. How to find the slant height? Slant height, this is the shape of a right triangle. You see this is a right triangle. This is B base and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So we can find L equal to h square plus r square square root. Okay, with radius given and height given, then you can find L as L equal to h square p square plus b square square root. Using Pythagoras theorem, you can find L. So curved surface area will be CSA. You can write pi r L. Okay, the explanation is not here. Just to remember the formula, pi r L square unit total surface area. Then find total surface area. This is the curved surface area. Total surface area is r this area, r the area of the circle. So pi r L plus pi r square. If you take common pi r, then it will be L plus r. Okay. Then what is the volume? You can easily remember the volume of cone if you remember the volume of the right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder volume is pi r square h. So the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So first you remember this formula, then we'll do the questions in a next video. Next, sphere. Sphere is solid ball. You see, football. This shape of a sphere. The sphere surface area is only surface area, no curved, no total, and only surface area. And remember, this is 4 pi r square unit. 4 pi r square unit. Then what is the volume? Volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is cubic unit. 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is the volume of the sphere. Okay. Now you see hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere. If we cut, suppose we have a lemon. If we cut it half, then we get the hemisphere. So what is the hemisphere? Hemisphere you can surface area, curved surface area, and total surface area. Okay. Hemisphere curved surface area. Curved surface half of the sphere is 4 pi r square. We can have curved surface area 2 pi r square. Okay. But hemisphere, this is 2 pi r square, and top is shape of a circle. It is pi r square. Pi r square means 2 pi r square plus pi r square. You can write total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Clear? Then what is the volume? Volume will be half of the sphere. Sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here the volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. Then comes at last frustum. Frustum is what? If right circular cone is given and if you cut the cone using a parallel plane, if you cut, this portion is called frustum. Frustum, here you see, we take this radius, this is R1, this is R2, where R1 greater than R2. Okay, and this one is H, height, this is slant edge, L. R1, this is R2, H, L. Then we have to first remember the curved surface area of the frustum. Curved surface area is pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Okay, pi into R1 plus R2 into this curved surface area. Then total surface area of this one. In curved surface area, if we add circle area at the bottom and circle area at the top, then what will happen? You can write pi R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square to circle area. Okay, this is the total surface area of the frustum. Then at last it is the volume of the frustum. Volume of the frustum is formula 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2, that is the volume of the frustum. So here we have discussed the formula and the concept of the chapter surface area and volumes. Using these formulas, we will solve so many questions. In my next video, we will do a lot more questions which are very, very important for your board exam. So practice this, watch the video till the end. Keep on smiling. Thank you. God bless you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Then if you have any suggestion, please suggest me in my comment box, or you can directly WhatsApp me so that I can improve myself. Thank you. God bless you.